Also today, Speedy's getting some coilovers. Let's go to the. I'll tell you what happened to this thing. Yeah, these I ordered some coilovers, and I've just been sitting here. My brother needs some, so I said, you know what? I got some, bro. We got some right here. Look at that. Been sitting for like 2 years, I think, maybe longer. Anywho, we're doing some SR20 shit today. So we're gonna use some REV9 coilovers, B13, brand new. Sonic gonna be sporting them. Well, the sputtering problem, that was touching that in the fuel tank with some shrink wrap here. So that, and it was leaking through the hose as well. We found another issue. These are the wrong side. This one belongs over there. So when we put one of my tires, it would hit right here. Pull it out. Just gotta swap them out. Get it right. And these REV9s, they're right awesome. Alright, so there's the fuel line that it had. My brother don't feel comfortable, so I said, he said he gonna change it, so we gonna change it. Okay, so what we want to do, you think it'll go by itself, bro?
I think so, because there's a big gap there.
All right, dale, you pull it. I'm gonna push it right behind it, bro. Okay. What's it hitting?
Yeah, you gotta go like almost to the back part, an angle.
Alright, there you go. There it is. You clamp. Swapped over. Ya quedó, bro.
Yeah.
He got rid of this junk. It's only from 1991, bro, you know. It'll probably take a couple more miles, but now that we're gonna do some trips, and that's the plan.